If you have a zoom in zoom out problem in Blender, for example, if you try to zoom in zoom out using the mouse scroll button, but if you are not able to do that, what you can do is, if you have a numpad period key, so it will zoom and fit your object to the viewport. So this will fix your problem. But if you don't have this numpad period key, you can go to view menu and you can see there is two options to fix this. One, you can tell frame all, so it will fit everything in the frame. Or if you want one selected object to fit to the zoom, so you can also tell view and frame selected, so it will zoom the geometry to your viewport. So this will fix the zoom in zoom out problem. If you are facing a zooming problem to one particular object or an element, for example, I want to zoom towards this left side of the geometry. If I even select and try to zoom, you can see I'm not able to zoom to the particular location. If you have having this kind of problem, how to fix it? One, go to edit, preference, okay? Then you can directly go to the navigation tab. If you are in another tab, click on this navigation tab and you can see zoom to mouse position. This is the very good option which you want to always turn it on and save the preference. If you are not seeing the button, go to this inside a burger icon and tell save preference. This is very good option, like wherever you cursor on. For example, if I select this and cursor on and zoom, see I can zoom this and fit to our screen. Or if I need to jump it to this right side of the object, I can just cursor on and I can scroll. So this is a very good another solution to fix your zooming problem. There is another common issue which we find in the starting place is rotating around the geometry. For example, I want to rotate around this geometry, and if I try to rotate, see, I'm not able to see the geometry. The geometry is went far behind me. So what we need to do to fix this problem, go to the edit preference and select this navigation and turn on this orbit around selection and save the preference. So this will make you to rotate around the particular geometry. So now we have selected the same geometry, and if you try to rotate now, see we are rotating around this geometry. Same way, if I want to try to rotate to the another geometry, even that I can select, and if I rotate, see it is rotating around the selected of the geometry. So this is a good fix. If there is a case like your scroll button is not working, as I told earlier, select the geometry and click the period key, or you can use the view frame or frame selected. Then you can use all these options which I have teach it for you.